Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to know about servicing commercial water-cooled condensers and receivers.
Objectives: servicing a water-cooled condenser and receiver is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and reliability of refrigeration systems. The water-cooled condenser plays a key role in dissipating heat from the refrigerant, while the receiver stores and regulates the flow of liquid refrigerant. Routine servicing involves inspecting and cleaning condenser tubes, checking for leaks, and ensuring proper refrigerant levels in the receiver. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the parts of a cell and tube condenser. Check the condenser and ensure of the condenser reads descaling. Pump down the system. Descale the condenser with brush. Service liquid receiver. Let us now take a look at the tools, equipment, and consumables needed for servicing a water-cooled condenser and receiver. Center punch, valve key, double end spanner set 6 mm to 27 mm, pipe wrench, chisel 6 inches, hammer, compound gauge, pressure gauge, commercial refrigeration system, water-cooled condenser shell and tube, tube expander, bottle corks to tube 1D as required, Teflon tape, 3 mm thick rubber sheet as required, pressure relief valve as required, gate valve, globe valve, brass tube cleaning brush, flexible hoses and hose clamps as required, litmus paper 0 to 14 pH.
Now let us see the preparations needed for servicing the water-cooled condenser and receiver. Identify the parts name of a cell and tube condenser. Cell casing, inlet connection, outlet connection, vent connection, drain connection, baffles, tube bundle, tube sheets, tube passes, inlet header, outlet header, refrigerant inlet and outlet, support brackets, support rails, vent valve, drain valve, baffle plates, tie rods, expansion joint, tube spacers. Check the condenser and ensure if the condenser needs descaling. Switch on the power supply. Open the condenser and chilled water valves. Start necessary auxiliaries. Open the suction and discharge valves of the compressor. Start the compressor. Observe the suction and delivery pressure on the gauge panel. If the delivery pressure is above normal. Check the liquid line, outlet pipe, outer surface temperature with your palm. It should be slightly higher than ambient temperature. Check the condenser, inlet and outlet water temperature. The outlet temperature should read 5 degrees Celsius higher than the inlet fit reads lesser. Then condenser needs descaling. Pump down the system. Put off the system. Close the liquid line. Bypass the valve connection at low pressure cut, out switch. Start the compressor drive motor. Watch and wait till the suction pressure drops to 0.5 kg per square centimeter. Stop the compressor drive motor. Immediately close the delivery valve. Descale the condenser with wire brush. Put off the compressor and main power supply. Close the cooling water outlet and inlet valve. Drain the water from condenser through the drain plug. Punch mark the end cover with reference to tube sheet outer. Loosen the water line flanges and end covers retaining bolts. Remove the end cover. Do not damage the gasket. Clean each tube thoroughly with a soft brass tube cleaning brush which is welded to the rod. Use the soft brush for finishing after cleaning with wire brush. Service liquid receiver. Identify the liquid receiver with all accessories. Clean the unit with dry cloth. Check the side glass for visibility of liquid level. Check proper functioning of the safety valve, relief valve and service valve. Check proper functioning of pressure gauge.
Servicing a water-cooled condenser and receiver is essential for refrigeration system efficiency. Regular maintenance includes inspecting and cleaning condenser tubes, checking for leaks, and maintaining proper refrigerant levels in the receiver. This ensures optimal heat exchange, prevents malfunctions, and extends the equipment's lifespan, contributing to the overall reliability of the refrigeration system. In this topic, we have come to know about how to identify the parts of a shell and tube condenser. Check the condenser and ensure of the condenser reads descaling. Pump down the system. Descale the condenser with brush. Service liquid receiver. I hope you all understood the processes like servicing of water-cooled condensers and receivers. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.